Hello everyone. So what I wanted to show you guys today was how to use a voice recorder on a Mac or iOS system. So first thing is first that we need to go ahead and turn it on. So when you go to System Preferences, you'll go right here to Accessibility, and we're going to scroll down to Voice Control. I'm going to enable voice control. The language is going to be English. It's going to use the external mic. And I'm also going to ask it to play a sound when the commands are recognized. So if I go right here where it says command, it shows me all the types of commands that I can ask the computer to do. So on my screen there's an icon here with the microphone showing me that the microphone is listening. If at any time I no longer want to use the microphone, I can go ahead and put it to sleep. Once I need the microphone to start again, I can go ahead and click wake up, and I'll start with the command. Open Siri. Siri, what is 7 times 4?
The answer is 28.
Once I get that, I can go ahead and close that, and then I can ask it to do something else. Open Microsoft Teams. And here's my Microsoft Teams. Close Microsoft Teams. Quit Microsoft Teams. And now it's closed. Open Apple Music. Open Apple Music. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. So I was able to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. I was also able to open up Microsoft Teams. It didn't open up my Apple Music, but that's okay. So this app can definitely help anyone that might have a physical disability that's unable to click through the computer to open up their apps. Open Safari. And it makes a clicking noise when it's able to understand the command. Quit Safari. And now Safari is closed out.